Okay, hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm making the cookies today. Peg's on the camera. So, I'm making coconut thumbprint cookies, but with a twist. Andy's way. Peg did hers her way. That's fine, but we're doing it my way. And it's part of Andy's kitchen. Andy's restaurant. Because you can get anything you want at Andy's restaurant. Okay, right now we're going to make the cream cheese filling for this because we have to set them in the fridge for 30 minutes and let that take shape, right? So I think what we got here, and I'm not quite positive, but I am positive, a quarter cup of butter. See, butter. Okay, put that in there. Okay. Isn't that looking good already? Now, this is Peg's canned cream cheese. Now,
is that room temperature?
It's room temperature already, yes. But what it is, it's 8 ounces, and I only need 4. So I have to get a spoon here.
Oh, you're gonna open the jar. He can't use my jar opener for some reason. Oh,
that's easy.
So you're going to use half that jar, and that will give you
half
your 4 ounces.
Yes. That
awesome. And it's room temperature.
Yep, so we don't have to wait.
No.
Yeah, it's about half, eh? Would you say?
Yeah.
Like now? Oh.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Okay, there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this all together. Put this back over here, put the lid back on. Stay. Okay. Good spoon, good spoon. Okay. Now we're going to mix this together.
That might take some time to blend together.
Yeah, I better get a mixer.
Okay.
That'd be better. Okay, now I've beaten it up with a mixer, and now we're going to add in slowly the icing sugar.
It's not quite 2 cups,
no,
right?
Not quite, no. There we go. Now what we're going to do is put that in the oven for 30 minutes.
No, we're not.
I mean the fridge.
Okay, let's do that.
No, it's good. It's good.
We're going to put it in the fridge to firm up for 30 minutes.
A slip of the tongue's no fault of the mind.
I should just let him go with it. Back in a bit.
Okay, I had to clean the bowl.
Like good. Heck he did.
Yeah, good. Okay, so what I got, 3/4 cup of butter.
That's salted butter.
Yeah. And then we got half a cup of sugar. Pour that together, and we mix this all together.
Do you want to use a paddle? A blender thingy?
No, this fork will do just fine.
Okay. We'll leave him here to do this just fine. Well, he blends.
It's blending. Look at that blend. That's man tool for you. It's coming together. He's no faster than, no slower than a...
Yes, it is.
Nobody could have had it done by now.
I would have.
Oh, yeah.
By George, he did it.
See how the man tool works? Now it's a promotional deal. We have these man tools for sale for $5.99 plus shipping. And we've only got this many left. Okay, so get yours before Christmas. Now don't all you rush together all at the same time in order. Okay.
First come, first served.
That's right.
You
Now-
can have your own handy dandy hand tool.
Now we're gonna have a teaspoon of vanilla extract in there.
Homemade
See how I
vanilla
coated that on top of
extract.
the sugar?
You coated it. That's a cooking thing, is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Remember to coat your vanilla over your batter, everybody. Your dough, sorry. Cookie
Get
dough.
it right, okay?
Okay.
It's not dough.
It's cookie
Okay.
dough.
Oh, well, yeah. Good, too. Okay,
Now
now
what
we've
are you
got...
doing?
I'm just standing here.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got 2 cups of flour. We're going to mix this in here, too. Put that in.
Oh.
What?
Oh, nothing. Go ahead.
Don't do that. And then I'm going to put in a pinch of sea salt. Oops. Ready?
Yeah.
Pinch.
Pinch. A 1-finger pinch or a 2-finger
Well,
pinch?
this is, yeah, 2-finger pinch there.
Okay.
There we go, pinched. Now we're going to mix this all together with a man tool. You watch how smooth it comes back. I'll bring it right back as soon as I get it done.
Why is there flour all over your face?
I beat it so fast with the man tool, works to perfection, and it's just all over.
You're totally caked in it. So this, okay.
There.
You got it blended?
Now, you can tell if it's blended by
Yeah.
going like this, taking some. And if it squeezes together like that,
Let me see. Your hand's in the way. Okay.
then you know it's ready. It's
Okay.
crumbly, but I mean, it's ready.
So we'll get the rest
I
of
just
yours.
got to wipe my face off.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got the coconut on a plate here.
Is it sweetened or unsweetened? Sweetened?
I think it's sweetened,
Okay.
yes. And
Pause.
okay, then I got to whip an egg wash. It's called, right? So I'm going to take an egg, right? And I go like this with it. There. And I will.
How many times did you do it before you got it right?
A magician never tells his secrets. Back into the drawer. They're going fast. The man tools are going fast. I'm telling you. I'm just gonna whip this up. I think I better put it in a what do you call it, cup? There.
And you want a tablespoon of water with that too.
A tablespoon of water.
Just turn tap on, go jig, small jig.
Jig.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Man tool.
Jig. It stops you from putting too much in. Did you see how valuable this was?
Sorry.
There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reclaim this, rinse it out a bit because it had that ucky egg in there. I'm going to pour this in here, my egg wash. Now, I'm going to, and I really am, I'm going to take these balls, make a ball out of it.
So you squeeze it really hard
Squeeze
in
it
your
hard, yep.
hand.
Because it's very light dough. And then we're going to put it in here, the egg wash, and then roll it in the gloriousness of coconut. Look at that.
And then it goes on the tray.
Then I put it on the tray.
And we're filled the tray before we do the next step. We'll
Yes.
bring you back.
I'll bring you back with this. Okay, so I've made my holes. I didn't use my thumb. I used the bottom of a
Wooden spoon.
wooden spoon, yeah. So that's what I've done. And now I'm going to put these in the fridge for 30 minutes too as well. That way they won't flatten out like a pancake. Okay, we're right back. Okay, so they've been out in the fridge for 30 minutes. The cookies and this, the cream cheese. So now I'm going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes and I'll bring you right back when they're done. Okay, now they're out of the oven. So I'm just going to make the holes a little bit bigger because now they're nice and loose. Not bad. My fingers are too big.
Oh, they smell good.
They do.
Yeah.
There,
If,
okay.
if you pull this off, you're never gonna let me hear the end of it, are you?
Nope. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit.
Where are you?
How do we
There
do
we
that?
go. Give it a squeeze.
I don't want a lot coming out.
Squeeze it out onto a spoon if you have to.
Yeah,
it
I
might
think
still
so.
be too cold. That works.
Yep.
I gotta get you from another angle or hang on.
Okay.
There. No, it's good.
Ow, burn. Stay.
I don't know if I'm getting you. Where are you? There. Hang on.
Okay, I'm not left-handed.
You're gonna switch when I switched sides.
No, it's a little bit more in there.
God, these are gonna be good.
Okay. Squeeze a little bit in there.
Looks like you had just enough. There's still another bag full in the fridge, eh?
Yeah, I don't need a bag full.
No, we'll have to make something with those.
I've got an idea.
I bet you do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so. Okay, now. I've got a spoon.
Oh, I love the smell of the toasted coconut.
Now, a maraschino cherry on top.
And they go back in for
Another 10 minutes.
Well, I don't think they're going to need 10.
No, probably
I'll bet you
not.
probably about 8. We'll keep an eye from 5 minutes onwards.
Yep. But this isn't the last part of it.
No?
No, there's more of a surprise coming.
I wondered why you were doing it with a spoon. Your
Yes.
hands are clean. Just do it.
It just felt so yucky.
Oh, these are going to look so nice.
Now look, they're going to taste so
Okay.
nice. Let's get that straight. Nope.
Are these going to be the best cookies in the world?
Always were.
And the oven's at 350.
Yep, oven's at 350. Remember, we put them in for 10 minutes. It softens them up to make the holes better.
And
Bigger.
lets you put the stuff in. There you go. Back in they go.
All right.
Back
We'll
in
bring
a
it
bit.
back in 10. Okay, now they're out of the oven. See how golden brown they are? Not too overdone. Okay, we're going to let them cool for 10 minutes. And I'll show you and I'll bring it back for the finishing touch. Okay, by the way, Roland, you don't have to send an email or anything if you want one of those men tools. Just call me, buddy, and I will bring it to you. Okay, so we've got them on the tray cooling right now. And I've got wax paper underneath it. I don't want to make a mess. What we've got here is chocolate with, what are they called? The little chocolate chips. We melted that down with butter and milk so we can drizzle on. So we're going to drizzle this on here.
This is called pimping it up.
Oh, there goes that bloody hand again.
It should be good for
Oh,
this.
jeez, no, it's not. I hate that.
Oh, these look decadent. Look at this. Is this what you
Oh,
dream
jeez.
about?
Not with my hand like that. Oh, geez, here goes.
Here, want me to finish it?
No, I can do it. I'm doing it. I went this far with it.
You did. Oh, yummy.
Jeez.
You better let me. This is residual from a stroke, guys. So it is what it is. But we laugh about it because look what it's doing.
Make fun at me. Oh, not enough on that one.
Oh, did you forget that one?
I did. Oops,
Okay.
Jesus. I'm done. So, I'll bring you back for a taste test. See? People with a disability, people laugh at me. I'll bring you back in a minute for a taste test.
Okay.
Okay, so we're back. And you know what? We got a lot of chocolate left over, so I thought, at Andy's restaurant, I would dip this in chocolate at the bottom. Just like that, see? Let it drip, sit it on there, and I will put them in the fridge.
Cool.
Now, I'll do that one again. Because we don't want to waste.
Okay.
And that would get my fingers all really sticky anyway. Because I'd have to clean the pot. Okay.
I got one more so I can get the bottom because I keep missing it. All right. And yeah. And then you're going to put them in the fridge?
Then I'm going to put them in the fridge.
All right. We'll come back when they're cool.
Yep. Bring it right back.
You're just proud of yourself for these, aren't you?
What?
You're just real proud of yourself with these, aren't you?
Well, wouldn't you be? You're just so jealous because you didn't make them as good as this. See this, folks? Jealousy at its best.
I'm impressed. I am very impressed. Oh.
Okay, so they're done now. Here's the results of them.
Hang on, let me get in there. And the chocolate's on the bottom.
I'm going to test this right after I tell you about the handy dandy Andy tool.
The handy dandy
Man tool. Man tool. Whips up.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so I'm going to test this after I bring you a word from our sponsor. The handy dandy Andy tool. Man tool. Okay.
Lucky
Okay.
bum.
I'll eat this in a minute.
Oh.
Before I test it, I want to bring to your attention the handy dandy Andy Man tool. You too can have one. It's not just for making cookies. It's great for eggs in the morning, beating it, and everything. Everything. You can do anything, and you don't have to go anywhere else.
He's
to
just
get it.
waving that
It's
around.
right there. Okay, so we're going to test this now.
The handy dandy Andy Man tool. Oh.
Oh, good.
And what are they consisted of? How many layers of work did you put into that cookie?
Not the point. Perfection. There is no time. There's no time limit on perfection.
So these
Now I'm about to bite into the maraschino cherry.
So these are good enough to put on our Christmas cookie tray? Okay. So in the freezer they go with the others that are up on the counter.
You heard it right. So I have to finish this. Okay. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And we'll see you on the next video.
One question. Not about the handy dandy
Well, they
Andy
only come in
Man
one
tool.
color. Silver.
One color. What's this cookie called?
The hand.
How about coconut thumb chocolate cheesecake?
Sure.
Because there's cheesecake stuff.
Oh,
in
it's good.
there.
No, it is good.
Could you taste it?
Yeah, you can.
All right. Catch us tomorrow.